how do we meditate? Today we will be seeing how to meditate and what is the benefit of meditation. Meditation can help you lower your blood levels, it can help you reduce the cortisol levels, and it can help you attain peace, sleep, it can bring your breathlessness under control, and it has multiple benefits which can be practiced anywhere, anytime. So very simple meditation we will be practicing for beginners is you need to find a peaceful place. You need to sit down. You can use a mat. Make sure you're sitting straight so that there is not too much comfort, and you can cross your legs. If you're flexible, you can get into the yogi position. You can place your hands near your belly, or you can keep it on your knees, and we can start with it. You can start with a soft meditative music and start with few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. You have to repeat it for 4 to 5 times. After that, what you have to do is you have to focus between your eyebrows. So you can focus here and just focus between your eyebrows and let the thought flow through your mind. Don't try to control your thoughts, don't try to remove them, don't try to think of one particular thing. Whatever is coming, let it come. Whatever is going, let it go. If you're comfortable and alone, you can use a humming sound while breathing out. It helps you improve your concentration. Focus on your breath work, your nasal passage to your lungs. When you breathe in, the air that fills in your lung, and when you breathe out in the same direction, it moves out from your nose. You can set up a timer for 5 minutes in your mobile and slowly increase the time duration. When you do this, you will get into a state of meditation. When you get into a meditative state, you are not conscious about the real timings. So a timer can help you track your time. You can slowly increase the time from 5 to 10 to 15 minutes and keep on increasing it. This is a simple meditation which you can practice.